Hi everyone, welcome to Try and Error Acting. Today I have come up with one very good suggestion for actors. Okay, so okay, let's directly go for that without wasting more more time. See, I'll take one example, right? See, the way in military, right? There will be one soldier, right? And they'll be having their weaponry, right? Their equipments, like they'll be having their gun, their military knife, and they must be having some grenades too. So these are their weapons, right? And these weapons will help them to to perform some operations, in maybe in in battlefield and in these kind of things, right? In similar way, even actor has one very important tool with them. I mean, that's kind of weapon for an actor, and it's their voice. Okay, voice is a weapon for actor, and they need to work on this weapon. They need to expertise with this weapon like anything. It has to be very very good. Good means it's not just about how it sounds. Okay, basically it's about your ability to speak it properly, your pronounce, how you pronounce it, how you pronounce words. It has to be there. Okay, it should be very very clear, and actor has to work on it. Actor has to improve their speaking skills. I mean, how they pronounce words. Okay, so basically I'll take example of few words where people don't pronounce them properly. Okay, for example, you can say okay, I'll take example of because I'm talking about our Hindi film industry. So I'll take example of saw and shaw. Okay, so in Hindi we call a city as shahar. Okay, and proper pronunciation for this one is shahar, but there are few people who will pronounce it like a seher. So this is wrong. Okay, it's not at all clear. It has to be clear, right? It's kind of sh in English. That's called shaw, and saw is one s, right? That's a saw. So that's, so most of the people speak in that way, because in our normal day to day life we don't give more more I would say more focus on our pronunciation and and how we speak. We don't do much focus on that. But as an actor, because you need to perform for the audience, okay, and you need to perform in front of camera as well, and camera, it's such a tool. It will pick up your small mistake like anything, and your whole performance go in vain. Okay, audience will say, "Yeah, what the hell this guy is doing," right? So just to overcome that, we need to improve our pronunciation skill. Okay, so I would suggest you that for example, if people who knows Sanskrit, so I would suggest them to they need to practice their Sanskrit slokas. Okay, at least daily in morning you can practice 5 Sanskrit slokas. Okay, just practice them. Try to pronounce them in yeah, with with the proper pronunciation and with proper rhythm. Okay, that's very very important. And then exactly what will happen, see, mostly because normal people, they don't use their tongue that much, they don't exercise their tongue that much, so they won't be able to twist and turn their tongue properly. Okay, and I mean, their tongue will not be having that much flexibility, I mean, which is required for an actor. Okay, so when you will speak or when you will work with these shlokas, your tongue flexibility will increase like anything. Okay, but it has to be done daily. It should be part of your daily practice. So I would suggest you that try to read out these slokas daily, at least 5 slok, and make it your daily habit, because it's your bread and butter. This your voice is your tool, and it will impact your acting like anything. So work on that. Okay, and people, for example, people who do not know Sanskrit, they can do same thing with Sanskrit tongue, sorry, not Sanskrit, I mean with English, sorry, English, not English. That's a wrong pronunciation. Okay, English tongue twisters, use them. Okay, you can find them in on in Google. So try to use them, uh, and even these English tongue twisters will improve their their pronunciation. Okay. And of course, I mean, they can do same thing with Urdu as well, because Urdu also has these kind of tongue twisters, and you can improve your speaking skills with that as well. So I would suggest you to work on these things, work on your voice. Okay. And if you have any further doubt on this thing, you can just put that in comment box. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, and don't forget to like this video if you like. And if you do not like, then of course you can dislike us, no problem at all. But just try to put in comment that what you didn't like about this video, because that will also help me to improve my videos. Okay, basically, see, I'm creating these videos for you guys. If you guys are not liking it, then there is no point in making them. Okay, so I want to improve these videos so that you can learn these things better. Okay, thank you, bye bye.